Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here we have two equations. Equation first is x plus y, this is equals to 10, and another equation is x times y, this is equals to 100. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x and all possible values of y. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here let us consider this is an equation number first and this is an equation number second. Equation number first is x plus y, this is equals to 10. Then here value of y in terms of x, this is 10 minus x. Now look carefully, equation number second is x times y, this is equals to 100. Now x times this y is replaced by 10 minus x. Then here 10 minus x and this is equals to 100. This x is multiplied by 10 minus x, then you will get 10x minus x square and this is equals to 100. In left hand side coefficient of x square is negative, so multiplied both side minus 1, and in right hand side is also multiplied by minus 1. In left hand side this minus 1 is multiplied by 10x, then you will get minus 10x. Minus 1 is multiplied by minus x square, then you will get plus x square, and this is equals to 100 times minus 1 is minus 100. In left hand side this expression is x square minus 10x and this is equals to minus 100. Here x square minus 10x, this is equals to minus 100. Now if we add both sides 25, and in right hand side also added 25. Here add 25. Look carefully in left hand side, this expression is factorizable or perfect square. Here we will apply middle term split. X square minus 10x is minus 5x plus 25, and this is equals to minus 100 plus 25 is minus 75. Look carefully first two terms and then last two terms. If we take common x in first two terms, then you will get here x square divided by x, then here x, minus 5x divided by x, then here minus 5. And here if we take common 5, minus 5, then minus 5x divided by minus 5, then you will get x, 25 divided by minus 5, then you will get minus 5, and this is equals to minus 75. In left hand side, if we take common x minus 5 and here x minus 5, now common x minus 5, then you will get here x minus 5 and this is equals to minus 75. X minus 5 times x minus 5 is x minus 5 whole squared, and this is equals to minus 75. Here we will apply this rule. If a square, this is equals to b, this implies a is equals to plus minus square root of b. Then x minus 5, this is equals to plus minus square root of minus 75. X minus 5, this is equals to plus minus square root of minus 75. X minus 5, this is equals to plus minus square root of minus 75 is same as minus 1 times 75. X minus 5, this is equals to plus minus, this expression is same as square root of minus 1 times square root of 75. And we know that value of square root of minus 1 is iota. Then x minus 5, this is equals to plus minus square root of 75 is same as 25 times 3 times iota. Then x minus 5, this is equals to plus minus, this expression is same as square root of 25 times square root of 3 times iota. X minus 5, this is equals to plus minus, value of square root of 25 is 5 times square root of 3 times iota. Here x is equals to 5 plus minus 5 times square root of 3 times iota. We have two possible values of x. First value of x is equals to 5 and then plus 5 times square root of 3 iota, and second value of x is equals to 5 minus 5 times square root of 3 times iota. And we know that value of y, this is 10 minus x. Y is equals to 10 minus x, and here y is equals to 10 minus x. Then y is equals to 10 minus x is replaced by 5 plus 5 times square root of 3 times iota. Then y is equals to 10, and this negative sign is multiplied by inside the bracket. Then this is minus 5 minus 5 times square root of 3 times iota. Then y is equals to 10 minus 5 is 5 minus 5 times square root of 3 iota. Solution x comma y, this is equals to value of x is 5 plus 5 times root 3 iota. Then value of y is 5 minus 5 times root 3 iota. Now solve this case. Y is equals to 10 minus x is replaced by 5 minus 5 times square root of 3 iota. Then y is equals to 10, and this negative sign is multiplied by inside the bracket. Then this is minus 5 plus 5 times root 3 iota. Then y is equals to 10 minus 5 is 5 plus 5 root 3 iota. So we have second solution x comma y, this is equals to value of x is 5 minus 5 times root 3 iota, and value of y is 5 plus 5 times root 3 iota. We have two solutions. This is first solution and this is second solution. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.